Hello skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I am so excited to wish you all around the world a very, very Merry Christmas. Now today is a day I know so many of you have been really looking forward to. Today's video is a compilation video of so many of you skating to a program that I choreographed a couple of months ago. So in November, I put out a video that had some Christmas choreography. And over the last month, people around the world have been practicing that choreography, and they sent me those videos back so I could compile them all and we could skate together for Christmas Day. And here is that video. It has been so much fun to watch all of these submissions come back, and it makes me so excited to be part of this online figure skating community and to be able to help so many of you achieve your figure skating goals. Thank you all so much for being a part of my channel. I hope you enjoy this little Christmas special. What an amazing job all of those skaters did. I loved watching people of every age, skill level, and from all over the world work on this skating program and come together in a spirit of Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing even more of your submissions next year for next year's Christmas compilation. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas day today. Have a wonderful New Year's, and I'll see you all in 2022.